How much money do you need to start an e-commerce business? When you hear about earning money online, e-commerce is the first thing that comes to mind. E-commerce is the buying and selling of goods and services online. Who doesn't want to earn in the comfort of their home? But before hopping on your e-com journey, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of the financial requirements involved. Well, you are at the right place. Your financial buddy is here to break it down for you. Firstly, you will need to outline your goals, marketing strategies, and financial estimation. We will be breaking down investment options into 3 categories. Watch this video until the end and subscribe to our channel so you will never miss out on financial tips. Starting with number 1, zero investment plan, dropshipping. If you are a beginner wondering about starting an e-com business, you must have heard about dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business system that allows you to sell products without owning or shipping the inventory. No need to be concerned about warehouse spaces, supply chain, or managing inventory. With dropshipping apps, products ship directly from the supplier to your customer, and you only pay for what you sell. No upfront inventory costs, and no hassle with fulfillment. In case you are on a tight budget, dropshipping is a hassle-free option in terms of expenses and inventory. You won't have to worry about shipping your goods or investing upfront. When we say zero investment plan, we mean it. You can start dropshipping with a limited budget of $100 with zero risk and easily switch niches that don't work for you. Number 2, mid-investment option, launching your e-com website. Firstly, you'll need to consider the cost of setting up your online store. This includes purchasing a domain name, website